This may seem like just one small banana peel, but this growing pile of food and food waste is only one person's waste in just 1 week. And all of this will end up in a landfill. Food takes up more space in U.S. landfills than anything else. In the U.S., we discard about 80 billion pounds of food waste a year, which is about 220 pounds of food waste per person. This equates to about 30 to 40% of the entire food supply. 80% of Americans throw away perfectly good food because they're confused about expiration labels. And many Americans don't compost. So food scraps add to the growing waste that's generated in landfills. Unfortunately, food and food waste that ends up in landfills contributes to climate change. Not only is wasted food a waste of the water and energy that it took to produce that food, but food that sits in landfills produces methane, a greenhouse gas that's more efficient at trapping heat than carbon dioxide. This is because in landfills there's no air and no natural way for the food to decompose, thus the release of methane. Wasting food contributes to 11% of the world's total greenhouse gas emissions. 2% comes from food manufacturers, 16% comes from farms, 40% comes from restaurants, grocery stores, and other food suppliers, and 43% comes from households. As you can see, individuals have a large part to play in addressing the food waste problem. Some of what we throw away is actually edible. Did you know you can make tea from avocado pits? We can also get creative and turn food waste into decorations. Orange peels make for great potpourri. Eggshells contribute to building healthy soils. And if you're not currently composting, perhaps you can start. Some people compost at their homes if they have space in their backyards. Others compost using worm bins. Some folks take their compost to a nearby farmer's market, and some participate in citywide composting programs. At Camp Ecologic, we share ideas and encourage creative solutions. Join us at Camp Ecologic, where we have fun turning trash into treasure and figuring out how to lower our environmental footprint on an individual but also on a community level.